Hello everyone. Today we are going to present question of problem-based task operating system. We are from class DDT 1A.
Hi, my name is Huda Najihah binti Suhaimi. My register number is 25DT21F1010.
Hi madam. My name Farah Hanis binti Azaman. My matric number 25DDT21F1023.
Hi madam, my name is Siti Rabi'ah binti Abd Jabbar. My registration number is 25DDT21F1025. The question is, a client who was a student want to purchase a Windows 10 operating system but needs some additional information. You as an expert in Windows 10 are asked to help client by explaining the Windows 10 editions that available on the market and give suggestion to the client. Second, differentiate between Windows 10 32-bit and 64 bits. Third, explaining the security features in Windows 10 and the utilities program that compatible with Windows 10. Fourth, write to the client how to manage Windows 10 desktop by screenshot methods step by step.
Windows 10. This is an update from previous version of Windows. It was designed for PCs, tablet, embedded devices, and Internet of Things devices. There are more details about this Windows. First, for the processor, it has 1 GHz or faster for the speed. For the RAM, it has 1 GB for 32-bit or 2 GB for 64-bit. For the hard drive space, it has 16 GB for 32-bit or 20 GB for 64-bit. For the graphics card, it has DirectX 9 or later with WDDM 1.0 and driver. For the display, it has 800 multiple 600. And the last one, for the internet connection, this necessary to perform updates and some features. Windows 10 Edition. There are 6 types of Windows 10. First, they have Windows 10 Home, which is the basic variant of Windows 10. Second, they have Windows 10 S, which is a fully fledged version of Windows 10 designed for low-cost computers as well as education-oriented PCs and even some premium computers, such as the new Microsoft Surface laptop. Third, they have Windows 10 Pro, which is designed to be the foundation of the modern workplace. Windows 10 Pro has the business tools your teams need to work even smarter. Fourth, they have Windows 10 Enterprise. This version is now available, offering the prospect of new features that Microsoft says will help with security and management of PCs and mobiles. Next, they have Windows 10 Education. This Windows, effectively a variant of Windows 10 Enterprise that provide education-specific default settings. And the last one is Windows IoT, which is a version of Windows 10 that is optimized for smaller devices with or without display. This Windows is a documentation provides information on connecting, managing, updating, and securing your devices.
Next, I will talk about differentiation Windows 10 between 32 bits and 64 bits. So, what is 32 bits? 32 bits is a type of CPU architecture which is capable of transferring 32 bits of data. Meanwhile, 64 bits is referred to the number of bits which should be processed or transmit in parallel. For 32 bits addressable space, it has 4 GB addressable space. Then, 64 bits have 16 GB addressable space. For the application support, 32 bits will not support the 64 bits applications, and the program won't work. Meanwhile, 64 bits will support 32 bits applications and program will work. 32 bits need a 32 bits operating system for OS support, while 64 bits It can run on 32 and the 64 bits operating system. Other than that, 32 bits not an ideal option for stress testing and multitasking. Then, for 64 bits, it works best for performing multitasking and stress testing. For OS and CPU requirement, 32 bits need 32 bits operating system and applications require 32 bits CPU. Meanwhile, 64 bits, the OS and CPU requirements is 64 bits OS demand, 64 bits CPU, and 64 bits applications require 64 bits OS and CPU. The system that available for 32 bits is Windows 7, 8 Vista, XP, and Linux. For 64 bits, the system available is Windows XP Professional, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Linux, and Mac OS X. And the memory limits for 32 bits. 32-bit system limited to 3.2 GB RAM. Its address doesn't allow to use full 4 GB of physical memory space. And the memory limits for 64-bit system, it will enable you to store up to 17 billion GB of RAM. As we can see, these two differentiation Windows 10, we can see 64 bits is more advantage other than 32 bits. And many laptops have used 64-bit system nowadays.
To answering the request suggestion of the client, the suggestion that I want to give for the client is Windows 10 Education, because Windows 10 Education builds on Windows 10 Enterprise that provides the enterprise-grade manageability and security desired by many schools. Windows 10 Education is effectively a variant of Windows 10 Enterprise that provides education-specific default settings. Windows 10 Education is available through Microsoft Volumes licensing. We recommend this Windows 10 Education to all kindergarten until 12 years old customers, as it provides the most complete and secure edition for the education environments.
Security features in Windows 10. First, Windows Defender Smart Screen. The Windows Defender Smart Screen can block at first sign. According to Microsoft, it helps protect employers if they try to visit sites previously reported as containing phishing or malware, to stop them from downloading potential malicious files. After that, it can also help protect against fake advertisement, scam site, and drive-by attack. So, in Windows 10, you can see Windows Security. Search for Windows Security and click App and Browser Control. As you can see, reputation-based protection. Click the blue color. After you click, there is reputation-based protection. Turn on Smart Screen for Microsoft. Turn on after you turn on so that you can use Smart Screen for Microsoft. Second, Windows Hello. Windows Hello lets you sign in to your device, app, online service, and network using your face, iris, fingerprint, or PIN. It's the right choice for you. You can rest assured that the info of the identify your face, iris, or fingerprint never leave your device. So there is option and the window security. You can click the setting and click the account, so you can declare about the PIN, security key, password, so that if you want to log in your window, you have to put your password. That is window hello. Third, window update. Window Update is free service provided by Microsoft as a part of maintenance and support service of Windows components. What the window updates can do? Window updates can do to fix error or bugs, to enhance the computing experience, and to improve the performance of window components. If you want to update your Windows 10, you can click the setting and search for Windows and Security. Click the Windows Update, and this is page for update the Windows 10. Utilities with Windows 10. First, antivirus software. Antivirus. What do you know about antivirus? Antivirus is kind of software used to prevent, scan, detect, and delete virus from your computer. For example, once you install, most antivirus software runs automatic in the background to provide real-time protect against virus attack. For example, Burkat. Burkat award-winning security is now enhanced with more extensive machine learning capability across multiple layers of protection. The unique of Burkat is dynamic machine learning. Dynamic machine learning continually monitor everything that happens on your device. For example, there is Burkat. You can scan the virus, you can manage the role, and you can manage the system. Second, user account control. First, Microsoft account. Microsoft prioritizes account security and work to prevent people from signing in without your permission. When they notice a sign-in attempt from a new location or new device, they will help protect the account, sending your email or SMS. Second, Windows security, which is dynamic lock. Dynamic lock enables you to configure Windows device to automatically lock when Bluetooth pair the device fall below the maximum received signal strength indicator value. So there is example when you open this Windows security account protection, have a Microsoft account and dynamic lock. So open to click the dynamic lock. So you have to allow. So when you allow, the system will lock if you not to use the computer. So this is make it more difficult for some to gain access to your device if you step away from your PC and forget to log. Third, Window Firewall. A firewall is network security device that monitor or filter incoming and outgoing network traffic based on organized, previously established security. At its most basic, a firewall is software is essential the barrier that sits between a private internal network and public internet. So, for example, there are a lot of software antivirus you can install in Windows 10. So, Windows 10 support the Burkat. So, after you install anything else software antivirus, you have to click or open the Windows security and click firewall and network protection. You have to turn on all permission so that software antivirus you have downloaded, you have installed can be used in your Windows 10. Windows Defender. Windows Defender is a software application that safeguards a system from malware. Windows Defender was previously known as Microsoft Anti-Spyware. It was anti-spyware program built to find unauthorized access and protect Windows computer from unwanted software. You have don't worry because each component includes antivirus, anti-malware, firewall, and more to keep your personal computer safe. That is page No, that is page in the setting. You have to type in the start security Windows security. So then click virus and threat protection and turn on Microsoft Defender. So Microsoft Defender has used like usually in your Windows 10.
How to manage Windows 10 desktop. First, for desktop icons, we need to select the Start button and then select Settings. Then click on Personalization and then click on Themes. Under Themes, it has related settings and then select Desktop icon settings. You can choose the icons you would like to have on your desktop. First, click on the Icons button and then choose the icon button that you would like to apply. Then, select Apply and OK. The icon you apply will appear on your home screen. Second, for the Start button, on the left end of the taskbar, select the Start icon. Press the Windows logo key on your keyboard.
How to manage Windows 10 desktop? This is lifestyle. First of all, click the Start menu and right click on Microsoft To Do. Choose what app you want to pin to start. So I choose Alarm and Clock. Select the selection Pin to the Start and a tile showing your My Day list will be pinned to your start screen. When the lifestyle show up on the start screen, you can right click on the tile and resize it. Depend on your choice of to resize small, medium, wide or large. You will be able to see the tasks in your My Day list. Taskbar. You can personalize in it many ways, which is change the color of taskbar, change the size, and other than that, you can also pin your favorite app in the taskbar, so that it make this easy to find your application, to find your favorite application, so that after that you can see uh, status battery in your taskbar and clock and date. So the important of this taskbar is you can see start menu.
For the notification area, first we need to select the Start button and then we need to select Setting icon over here, and then after we go to Setting, we need to select Personalization, and then after that we need to select Taskbar and scroll down until you see the notification area. This is the area we can setting the notification area. So this is how the notification space look like. The notification will pop up and display over here. Next, for taskbar setting, first we need to open Start button and then select setting icon. After that, we need to select personalization and then select this taskbar, and you can setting the taskbar according to your wishes. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.